Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to have the most productive days ever on your job, at your place of business, or at your home. Now listen, this productivity hack that I'm about to teach you is based off the concept that less is more. And so for years, I used to have this running to-do list that was like 6 pages long, and it seemed like I'd never be able to get anything done on my list. Well, all of that changed when I started using the Pomodoro technique with my productivity planner from the folks at Intelligent Change. So here are the 5 steps that I follow for maximum productivity. Step 1 is the night before I'll write down 3 to 5 things that I plan to accomplish the next day. In step 2, I will rank those things from lowest to highest priority. In step 3, I work on the highest priority task in uninterrupted blocks of time. In step 4, I never move on to task number 2 until I've completed task number 1. And step 5, I simply rinse and repeat the process. You know, it was Peter Drucker who once said that until we learn how to manage time, we will manage nothing else.